Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at the WD Black. This is the SN850 by Western Digital. This is the M.2 SSD expansion hard drive. This is compatible with PCs, and also it is compatible with the PS5. You have to have the most latest firmware update for the OS on the PS5 to make that enable to use this SSD expansion drive. This actually has a built-in heatsink. There are some without the heatsink, since these do run kind of hot. The ones without the heatsink are less expensive, but you have to buy the separate heatsink and the little heat transfer sheet and put that on the SSD. But I wanted the integrated one. These do come in 3 different sizes: 500 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabytes. This one we're installing today is the 1 terabyte model. And then let's just take a look at the packaging real quick. Is in there, and you can kind of see there that is just a warranty sheet, which I won't bore you to death with showing you that. Here is just seems like a simple little tiny little fold up welcome. Just probably give you some basic and general instructions about the SSD storage drive. But yeah, that's it. And let's take a quick look at the actual little SSD drive itself. And there you can see there's a heatsink on top. It's metal. Just basically the bottom part is just the board with the chip. The very top is just the actual metal heatsink. Before we install it, first thing we got to do is remove that base off the bottom. If you do have it vertically, which I usually have it standing vertically. And the next thing we'll do, we're going to take off the cover and make sure where the SSD is going to go. It's part where I'm pointing. If you have the disk drive version, and where I'm pointing there, that's where it goes. And so we're going to put our hand there, support the bottom of it. We're going to put our hand on this top edge, kind of push up and back, and then there it is. It pops off the cover right there, and you can see all the little notches there, little things that actually secures that cover to the PS5. So not too difficult to remove the cover, and then we'll remove the screw that's holding the little plate that covers the SSD compartment, and that takes a little #1, I think, Phillips or a crosshair bit, and we'll show you the little holes there, and there's a little spacer. So when I'm pointing there is another screw holding this little metal spacer. And once you install this SSD drive, those little spacers, depending on the length of that drive, that's where you're going to secure that SSD drive. Now you're going to just lay it flat, make sure that interface there, get it right into where it's going to snap, and then you're going to push right into it, make sure it snaps just like that, and you kind of see it kind of bobs up. That's what that spacer does. There's a little notch built into the SSD drive. You're just going to put that spacer right on there, secure it down with the screw, and that should keep it all in place. Let's put the cover on and make sure you line up all the little holes where those little secured hinges, whatever you want to call those little things, and you're just going to kind of push it in there and just kind of push a little bit forward until it snaps right in there. The first thing we need to do is we need to format that M.2 SSD hard drive. Now you can kind of see that M.2 SSD right below the console storage is now listed there. 1 terabyte available. Installation section, there's normally is console, but I just selected already the M.2 SSD storage. So you kind of set the default. You go to console storage, let's hit the games and also the apps, and we're going to select what we want to move from the internal storage over into the SSD storage drive. So we'll kind of select all these little apps real quick, and some other games too we want to put on there. As always, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Hit the notification bell for future notifications of videos like this. Like or dislike the video. Until the next one, take care.